Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XS and replace display module. To disassemble iPhone XS you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic mediator, opening plastic tool, section cap for removing display. In description of this video I leave links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Using a hairdryer, heat the surface of display for 1 minute. This will make it easier to separate the display from the iPhone case. Apply a section cap to the bottom edge of display and pull up on the ring. Push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. Now carefully separate the display from the iPhone case. Open iPhone by swimming the display to the right side. Next, unscrew the 4 screws on the metal panel using a tri-wing screwdriver and 1 screw using a PH00 screwdriver. Now you can remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the main board and 3 cables of the display. Now you can remove the display. To replace the display on iPhone XS, you need to disconnect the speaker with light and proximity sensor from the original display and install it on new display module. Unscrew 3 screws using a tri-wing screwdriver. Using a hairdryer, heat the front side of the display where located the sensors. Carefully separate the sensor from the display housing. If this sensor is damaged, the Face ID will be lost, so special care is required not to damage one of these components during removal and replacement of the display. In the description of this video I'll leave links where you can buy new display. Install the proximity sensor and light sensor. Install the speaker and fasten the 3 screws. The display module assembled. Now you can install the display and test how everything works before final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. Connect 3 cables from the display module to the main board, and only after that connect the battery cable. Turn on the iPhone and let's check how everything works. If the phone works well, next step is final assembly with gluing. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone housing where old tape was located. Now take new adhesive tape and apply to the case. With this tape, you save waterproof resistance of your iPhone. I left links in description where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 cables from the display to mainboard, and only after that connect battery cable to the mainboard. Set metal panel and fasten 5 screws. Turn over the display and press down to the display around the perimeter of surface. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on iPhone and use it.